In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook page. So it's gonna be a full guide video. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This works on PC and on smartphones. Head over to your Facebook account. These are Facebook accounts right now. Click on these pages. Click on the create new page. Wait for it to load up. Yeah, so you can see this. You'll be asked to create a page. Your page is where people, so I can just come on here and type in, let me say, education, right? Education reviews. So this is basically what I'm gonna do now. So category, you're gonna select. I can just type in, I think education should go through, right? Yeah, so education website, bio. You can come on here, or type in education page for online entrepreneurs. So I'm gonna click on this create page, right? Once you're done, you're gonna click on this create page. Wait for it to load up, right? Okay, so yeah, so I think there's a little problem or something, right? So I don't think I can be able to run this up right now. So what is how you can basically do this. If you switch to this is how it's going to be displayed on the smartphone, right? Once I've entered all this, the page name, the category, bio, you click on this create page, right? It's going to create for you. Yeah, so I don't think I can currently create now at the moment, but yeah, once you're done, click on this create page and everything is going to go through. So this is how you can basically create a page here on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.